Working on the Association for Democratic Reforms on Saturday told the Supreme Court that the Election Commission's citizenship verification exercise underway in Bihar constitutes a grave fraud on voters and also violates the top court's past rulings. In its rejoinder affidavit, ADR responded to the EC's counter filed on July 21st, in which the poll body defended the SIR special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar. Now, viewers, the EC had claimed that the exercise aimed to restore public confidence in the electoral process. A batch of petitions challenging the Bihar SIR is scheduled to be now heard by the top court on Monday, that's July 28th, ahead of the state assembly elections to be held in November. In fact, ADR in its response questioned the EC's refusal to accept Aadhaar, voter ID and ration cards as standalone proof of identity for inclusion in the electoral roll. It termed the stance as patently absurd. On July 10th, viewers, a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justices Sudhanshu Dhulia and Joy Malia Bagchi declined to stay the revision process, but also at the same time directed the Commission to consider Aadhaar and other ration card documents for verification. Now, the court noted that these documents do serve as foundational proof for obtaining any of the 11 documents listed by the EC in Bihar for voter verification. In fact, the EC, however, contended that Aadhaar, EPIC and ration cards were susceptible to forgery. Now, disputing this claim, ADR has argued that the remaining 11 documents permitted by the EC were also equally vulnerable to fraudulent procurement and thereby rendering the EC's rationale arbitrary and inconsistent in the case. Now, the politics over SIR continues. In the latest, we have seen ADR has now told the Supreme Court that Election Commission citizenship verification, which is underway in Bihar, it constitutes a grave fraud on voters and also violates top court's past rulings.